Hello everyone, in this CBT we will be learning how to create a bill with TDS by a DDO assistant. Let's take an example that a bill has to be created of legal and professional fees in the name of VPG audits for Rs 25,000 and the TDS is to be deducted under section 194J at 10%. DDO assistant shall log in into the system and shall open IARI payable DDO assistant responsibility. Click on bill processing. Bill form will open. The TDS invoice can be based on PO or it can be a non-PO invoice. Select the bill type as standard. Here in our example we will be learning to create a TDS invoice without a PO. Select the vendor name. Search for the vendor. Click on the find button. Select VPG audits. Supplier site will get automatically populated. Since the DDO assistant shall receive the invoice within the bill file, with the help of that invoice, he will be entering the vendor invoice date, the vendor invoice number. Move the screen to the right. Now enter the date on which the invoice is being received by DDO or DDO assistant. Enter the bill amount. Since in our case it is 25,000, we will be entering 25,000. All the rest fields will automatically get filled. Now click on lines. Enter 25,000 over here. Click on distributions. Again enter the amount. Come to account. The institute name will get automatically populated when you click on this button. Select the fund type from which the expense is to be done. For non-plan, since there is no scheme code, we will be selecting default. It is a legal professional expense, therefore we have to select a legal professional account over here. Click on find. Select the legal professional expense. Click on division. Select the division for which the expense is to be incurred. Now DDO assistant shall scroll the screen to the right. Click on the DFF button and he has to select the TDS section which is to be applied to this bill. Click on the button. Here you can see all the TDS sections along with the rate will be reflected over here. Since we have to select 194J, we will be searching for 194J. Since VPG audits is an individual, we have to select VPG audits individual. Click on OK. This yellow floppy is known as a save button. After creating the bill, the DDO assistant has to click save. Now close the distributions window. A bill number shall automatically get populated. Assistant has to then forward the bill file to the DDO for further validation and actions. Thank you and have a nice day.